Safe downhill driving. In the Arocs, this is enhanced by the following vehicle components. First, the advanced Mercedes Powershift 3 automatic transmission, which comes as standard. This offers great driving comfort, ease of use, optimized transmission modes, and improved shift sensors compared to its predecessor. It provides accurate gear selection that's always suited to the current driving and loading conditions. Mercedes Powershift 3 recognizes deceleration mode when going downhill and maintains the gear. This prevents extreme speed increases due to interrupted traction. Second, the new Euro 6 engines fitted as standard. Among their many impressive features is a wear-free engine brake. It improves safety when going downhill and increases control over the vehicle, particularly when it's fully loaded. To improve safety even further, a high-performance brake is available as an optional extra. Third, a secondary water retarder is available for high-endurance braking power. This is fully integrated into the braking system and is operated and cooled using the engine coolant instead of oil. It's lighter, more powerful, and quieter than conventional retarders. Furthermore, the turbo retarder clutch allows high-performance braking at low speed, wear-free driving off and maneuvering. Fourth, depending on its use, the Arocs is available with disc brakes, drum brakes, or a combination of both. The Arocs, the new force in construction.